Hello, my dear student. Welcome to Electrical Measurement Lab. Today, we are going to perform Anderson-Bridge inductance measurement practical. This is the kit on which we will perform the Anderson Bridge practical. But before starting the practical, we will go through its theory briefly. Anderson Bridge. It is another important AC bridge used for the measurement of self-inductance in terms of a standard capacitor. Actually, this bridge is nothing but modified Maxwell bridge, in which also the value of self-inductance is obtained by comparing it with a standard capacitor. This bridge is basically used for the precise measurement of inductance over a wide range of value. The Anderson bridge is shown in the figure. This is a circuit diagram of the Anderson bridge having the 4 arm 1, arm 2, arm 3 and arm 4 with resistor R3, resistor R4 we name as here R, we name this R4 as a P, resistor R2 name as a Q, and the unknown inductor L in series with the variable resistor. And capacitor are connected in between terminal E and C. Similarly, one variable resistor R is also connected in between terminal E and D. And the supply source is connected across the terminal A and C. And this is the formula which we will use for calculating the unknown inductor L. Unknown inductor L is equal to R C bracket Q plus 2R. This is our kit having 4 arm 1, arm 2, arm 3 and arm 4. Having a resistor R3 name as a R, resistor R4 name as a P, and resistor R2 name as a Q, unknown inductor L. There are 3 unknown inductor L1, L2, L3. We will connect it one by one to find the value of the inductor, and resistor R1 name as S connected in series with this, and capacitor is also there, standard capacitor. Okay, there are 3 capacitor, we will connect one by one. Okay, and resistor R, small r. This is the variable resistor R. We will vary this with the help of this pot. Now we will start the circuit connection. We will connect inductor L1 to the circuit with the help of the patch cord. And now capacitor C1 also to the circuit. Now our connection is ready. Procedure. Connection diagram of the Anderson bridge of inductance measurement is shown in the figure. We will do the connection as per the circuit diagram. Then we will select any one standard capacitor, mean known capacitor, from the given capacitor bank. Standard capacitor C2 value are also given below. Capacitor C1 0.02 microfarad, capacitor C2 0.2 microfarad, capacitor C3 2 microfarad. Now put the power switch on and adjust the resistance R to get the minimum reading on the digital null detector. Now put the power switch off, with the help of the digital multimeter, we will find the value of resistor R and note down in the observation table. And we will then calculate the unknown inductor by the formula unknown inductor L is equal to R into C bracket Q plus 2R bracket closed, where the value of the R and C are given below. R3 is 100 ohms, R4 is 220 ohm, and R2 is 220 ohm. And the capacitor value are also given, which I had already shown you. After that, we will repeat the above step with different value of standard capacitor. Now we will switch on the power supply of the kit with the help of this toggle switch. Then we will vary this pot. Variable resistor R, pot is here. We will vary this and bring the circuit to a balanced condition by seeing this null detector should become at the minimum position. 74, 80, we should adjust it 84, 75, 60, 65, 64, 63, 50, 44, 16, 22, 12 is the last, 11, 10. So this is the minimum position. At this minimum position, we will switch off the kit. After switching off the kit, we will measure the variable resistor R with the digital multimeter. Now we will remove this unknown inductor from the circuit and the capacitor from the circuit. And we will take the digital multimeter, we will keep at the ohm meter, and we will measure the resistor R, value of the resistor R with the help of the DMM. So it is showing 117 ohms. Same the way we will repeat the above procedure for calculating or finding the value of the unknown inductor L2 and L3. Now we will note down all the reading in the observation table. Resistance R is fixed. Resistance C, we are changing the capacitor, standard capacitor 0.02, 0.2 and 2 microfarad for the inductor L1, L2 and L3. And Q, resistor Q are also fixed, and this is the variable resistor R value. For L1 we are given this value, L2 and L3, and this is the calculate value. By calculation, L1 is 0.8 millihenry and L2 is 10.7 millihenry and L3 is 108 millihenry. This calculated value we will compare with the standard observed value. So standard value is 1 millihenry and 10 millihenry and 100 millihenry, which is approximately equal to the calculate value. All these calculations are done by the formula L is equal to RC plus bracket Q plus 2R. Thank you. Hence, the conclusion is that by using the standard capacitor, unknown self-inductance is calculated by the Anderson bridge practical.